What is going on, guys? Joaquin Corrales, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're gonna go over 4 ways in which you could make passive income online without having any prior experience whatsoever. And the good thing about this is that these are things that we're working right now at the end of 2017. I'm even doing some of them myself, and they're gonna be working throughout 2018, and you're gonna be able to make a lot of money if you pay attention and you do these things. So let's get right into it. So the first way in which you can make money passively is by offering digital advertisement to small businesses. And the real key here is that you do not need to be an expert. So many people are afraid of the idea of offering a service to other people because they haven't done it for 10 years, because they don't have this amount of experience to show or whatever. It literally does not matter, because if you guys just go online and, for example, I recorded a 50-minute video the other day on how to use Facebook ads from beginner to expert. So if you do not know how to use Facebook ads, just go and watch that video. And after you watch that video, you're gonna know more than 90% of the people out there. And let's say you come to a brick and mortar business, or you come to an online business, and this is all you have to tell them. If you tell them this, you're gonna blow their mind and they're gonna hire you like right away. You tell them, hey, I'm here to run digital advertisement for you, and what that means is that I'm gonna put your company in front of 1 million people online. They're gonna hear about your business, they're gonna know who you are, it's gonna help you build your brand. And on top of that, I'm gonna do this. For every single person that comes into your website, that just sees your website, or every single person that lands on your Instagram page, when that person goes back on Facebook, we're gonna be able to retarget them and show them an advertisement that offers them a discount, that allows them to come and make an appointment, or that allows them to call your business. If you tell that to any business whatsoever, first of all, it's gonna blow their mind, because these people have no idea how you could possibly do that. And two, it's something that you're gonna be able to charge them on a monthly basis for, in order for you to keep running and keep managing those campaigns. And the best part about that is that you guys are setting this up one time, right? You're setting up these campaigns one time, as you're gonna learn in my Facebook ads video, and then you're just leaving it there running. Like, you're leaving it there running, you're monitoring every once in a while, right? It needs monitoring every once in a while. But these companies are paying you on a monthly basis in order for you to be able to put their business in front of millions of people, in which you are, right? Because impressions are very, very cheap. And you could also create different tiers. For example, hey, if you pay me $250 a month, I'll do this. If you pay me $1,000 a month, then I'll do this. You create different tiers. But the real key there is that what you guys need to be doing is that you need to be learning something, right? You need to learn how to do something online or run digital advertisement. And then you need to go out there and sell it to people, because you do not need to be an expert in order for you to offer this to people. You just need to know enough about it and know how to actually put it in action for you to do it. Now, the second way in which you can make money online and you can make passive income online is through a website called Fiverr. And what Fiverr is a website where you go and for $5 you could buy a whole bunch of different services. But what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna go online, we're gonna go on Fiverr, we're gonna create an account as if we're someone that's selling services, and we're gonna go and we're gonna look up what are the services that are selling the most, or services in which we have some sort of experience in and we could sell to other people. And now, things on this website aren't only $5, like they go from $5 to, I don't know, $200. There are different tiers. But what you're gonna do is that you're gonna set up different services on this website, and then you're gonna go to upwork.com. And on upwork.com, you're going to find someone to hire for $4 an hour or for $3 an hour. And when you have 5 or 10 jobs on Fiverr that people have hired you for, you're gonna send them to this person, and they're gonna do it in an hour or two, and you're gonna make $100 and have to pay $4 or $8 for this person that's doing the work for you. One example of a type of job that you could do is transcribing, okay? So there are people on Fiverr, a ton of people, who are looking for others to transcribe stuff for them. And so what you do is that you create these different job postings, right? And once they hire you, even you could do this if you wanted to, but I recommend hiring someone else, since this is passive income. They're gonna give you like an MP3 file or a video file, and what you're gonna do is that you're gonna upload this video to YouTube, and YouTube is gonna automatically transcribe it for you. Okay, so you literally don't have to do anything. You're literally they're gonna pay you $10. You're gonna take an MP3 file, you're gonna upload it on YouTube, and then YouTube is gonna transcribe it for you. You're gonna export that transcription and send it to them, and that's literally it. And so I have a buddy who's making like over $10,000 a month doing this, and he does a whole bunch of different types of services. But basically what he does is that he posts them on Fiverr, and then he has people that he's hired for $2, $3 an hour on upwork.com. And they automatically, they do everything. They fulfill all the orders. All he does is make sure that the job postings are up, make sure that his bank account is properly connected to the site, and he has all of that running. And so that's a very good way to make passive income online as well. The third way is by creating a YouTube channel. So what you do is that you create a YouTube channel based around a niche that you're interested in, or a niche that you have some sort of experience in, and you start uploading content. And you have to upload content that people are going to find. Like, for example, this video is a 4 ways in which you could make passive income online. So there are people that are gonna search for the word passive income, and then my goal is to rank for that word. So when someone searches for that word, then my video comes up. I cannot post videos of me vlogging or doing something similar because my audience is not big enough yet, so it makes no sense. So you guys create a channel and you start uploading those type of videos. And where you make the actual money is not in the ad revenue. It's not in the YouTube ad revenue, because you would need too many views in order to make any nice amount of money. That's a good extra amount of money, but how you really make the money is by building a retargeting list. And what that is that every single person who watches your video, you're able to retarget in advertisements. And now these people that you're running ads to are warm traffic, okay? This is not cold traffic in which the people have no idea who you are, and so it's really hard for you to convert the traffic that you're buying. These people have seen your face before, they've had FaceTime with you, they probably subscribe to your channel, and so when you run ads to them, you could offer them your services, you could offer them your products, and they're gonna convert a lot highly. And that's more of an advanced one, but just keep that in mind because that's a really, really good idea, and a lot of people are gonna start doing this in 2018. Now, the last way in which you can make passive income online is by doing email marketing. And what you're gonna do with email marketing is that you're gonna go to brick and mortar businesses, or you're gonna go to Shopify stores, and you're gonna ask them if they have any emails, if they have customer profiles, and whether they're doing email marketing. And 99% of them are gonna say no. And what you're going to tell them is that they're leaving a ton of money on the table. And the reason why they're leaving so much money on the table is because it's been proven that there are millions and millions of dollars being made through email marketing every single day. And so what you're gonna tell them is, hey, listen, I'm gonna take your customer list and I'm going to make you a lot more money from these people. I'm gonna increase the value that each of these customers are worth to you, okay? And how I'm going to do that is by engaging with them through email and using a system called Contact Flow. So I own a software company called Contact Flow. And the reason why I made that software company was because I understood that the value of email marketing was only going to continue to grow and that there were a lot of businesses that weren't doing it. And so if I could provide some sort of platform that made that super easy for people to track their sales and track the lifetime value of customers, then it would do really good. So for example, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to go up to someone who owns like a Shopify store and you're going to tell them, hey, I'm not going to charge you a monthly fee, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take 10% of all the profits that I bring to the table, and I'm going to automatically retarget the people that are coming into your store with emails. So for example, in Contact Flow, you're going to be able to trigger an email sequence when someone has visited a specific product X amount of times but has not bought it. Can you even think about how much money that would potentially make you? Like for example, you have a customer, right? You send them an email. They click on the email and they land on some product. And they go to that product 2 or 3 times within the next couple of days. Obviously, they're interested in the product, but they haven't bought it yet. You could automatically trigger an email sequence that starts emailing this person and starts recommending to them to buy that product, to offer them a discount. You could then check, did this person open the email? Did they buy it? Do different things. And so what you're able to do in order to make passive income online is that you're able to offer this as a service to people who have online stores. And there are people out there who are making $5,000, $10,000, $40,000 a month with Shopify stores, with their just brick and mortar businesses that are not doing any email marketing whatsoever. And the cool thing about that is that they have a lot of emails, right? And so you guys are able to grab this, you're able to throw it into this program and set up, the program comes with training, right? Contact Flow comes with training. You're able to throw in all their contacts. You're able to tag them like, hey, these 10,000 contacts are from this business, these 10,000 contacts are from this one, so that you don't mix everything up. And then you're able to set flows, which are these different automations, right? You're able to automatically send emails to people, and then you just leave it there, right? Like it does everything automatically going forward. And the cool thing is that these businesses are paying you monthly for this. They're paying you monthly in order for you to have this service up and running, and all you did was set it up one time and just leave it there. And so guys, these are the 4 top ways in which you can make passive income online coming up in 2018. Make sure you guys pay attention to these. Watch this video over if you might have missed one. one. And so guys, those are some of the 4 best ways in which you could make passive income coming up in 2018 using no prior skills. And so the first way is by running digital advertisement to different companies. And remember, you do not need to be a professional. And not only use that mindset for this, but use it for everything. You just need to know enough about it to be able to show other people, to teach other people, to be able to offer this as a service to them. The second way is by using Fiverr.com. So there's this platform that you could go on there, you can make your job postings, and then you could hire other people to do it for you for very cheaply and have it running automatically. The third way, and a little bit more advanced, is to create a YouTube channel based around a niche that you're interested in and be able to push out content and build your personal brand and make people love you and give them a bunch of information while you're building a retargeting list of people in which you're later able to target through different ads. And number 4 is by doing email marketing. There's so much money in email marketing that people are just leaving on the table. And if you're able to paint this picture in these business owners' minds, then why wouldn't they hire you to do this if you're only bringing them extra money? Like, for example, you're gonna tell them, hey, I'm gonna take 10% of all the money that I bring to the table. Why wouldn't someone do that? It's extra money that they would otherwise not have. And so guys, remember, this is a 180-day challenge. We're releasing videos daily. Happy New Year's Eve. Today is the 31st. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. And we're doing giveaways every week of software and over $1,000 worth of training programs. And all you guys have to do to qualify is subscribe to the channel, hit a comment down below, and hit a like. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one.